What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 data entry home-based online job sites you can start to earn money with today. To find out all of the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more on a consistent basis. And hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information I'm going to share with you here today. And you're probably not going to get rich with these data entry jobs, so if you're interested in building a full-time passive income online, a real sustainable online business, you definitely want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But these sites are perfect to get started with to make some extra money online while you build your real online business there. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the first site that we're going to have a look at today is Amazon's Mechanical Turk, which you can find at mturk.com. This is how it looks when you arrive to the site. You can see here you can get started, but the main site is for someone who wants actually to have their data entry or micro tasks done here. What we are interested in is go here to the top section where it says looking to work on tasks. You can sign in as a worker or learn more. So if you go to the learn more, you can see here you can make money in your spare time, get paid for completing simple tasks. And there is a lot of tasks actually that people wants to have done here. You can see here data verification and cleanup, removing duplicate content from business listings, verifying restaurant details. So there is tons of opportunity here. All you have to do is actually go ahead and sign up as a worker, and you will find tons of data entry jobs that you can apply for inside here. Let's move on to the next site, which is Microworkers.com. Tons of micro tasks that you can do here, and data entry jobs of course also. This is just a quick example here. You can see data entry, new instructions. So basically what you need to do is you go scrolling down, and what you think you can apply for, it can be data entry or a simple task that you can do. You can see also how much you can make here. You just click on it and see the details, and you get started with it. They do pay out via PayPal also here, so that is really awesome. Just go to microworkers.com, have a look at the details, and get started with some data entry jobs today. Alright, another opportunity that you can get started with is actually being a transcriptionist or even a captioner. One of the most popular sites is rev.com. If you go to the section where it says freelancers, you can see here you can create a flexible work schedule, choose from 100 of jobs. You get paid weekly also via PayPal here, and these are super easy to get started with. Basically what you need is a pair of headphones so you can listen to, and you can get started to type there. Transcriptionist or a captioner, so you can caption videos there. You can see the payouts here. The range of pay is 36 to 65 cents per audio video minute, and for captioning it is 45 to 75 cents per audio video minute there. There is also another opportunity here on Rev, and that is if you are good in a foreign language, you can actually make money as subtitler, anywhere from $1.50 up to $3 per audio video minute. So have a look at it at rev.com to see if it is something that you can apply for here also. Let's move on to the next site, which is clickworker.com. Another very popular site for any kind of data entry jobs, and basically we are going to the section where it says earn money as a click worker. So you can see here Clickworker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. So how it works, really simple. You can sign up as a click worker for free, and you work independently. Your schedule is flexible, and all you need is a computer and or mobile device with an internet connection. So if I scroll down a little bit, there is an app also that you can download. You can see here tons of variation here: creation of texts, data categorization, copy editing, proofreading, web research, surveys, mystery photographers and app testing, and audio and video jobs as well. So there is definitely much more opportunities that you can make money with except for data entry jobs here. So just go to Clickworker, sign up there and get started with making some extra money with this site here as well. Another very super easy task you can do with data entry is actually working with CAPTCHA. You can go to TranscriptionistCaptioner.com. So we are interested in the work for us section here. You can see it's super easy, super simple, and as I said, you're not going to get rich with this opportunity here. You make 20 to 80 cents per hour, but I mean, it is so easy to just solving CAPTCHAs there. So you can see, you can have a look at all the details here. Just go to TranscriptionistCaptioner.com and have a look at the details there. You see once again they mention here that you make 50 cents for 1-2 hours depending on the service load, different payout methods and minimal payout, which is cool. You can get paid for 50 cents actually, no payout fees as well. So TranscriptionistCaptioner.com is a great opportunity also to get started with, and super easy as well. Alright, let's move on to freelance site. One of the most popular is Upwork.com, and you can see here I typed data entry. There is tons of people here that are offering data entry, and this is exactly what you are going to do here as well. So have a look at it, see if you are specialized in Excel, for example, or something like that. You can use that. Have a look at these profiles and swipe from there, so you can have a good proper profile set up there. I'm sorry. And of course what you need to do here is more or less go in a daily basis, have a look at it whenever someone posts a data entry job, and make sure you bid on that job there. A good tip of course would be, if you're getting started, to sell yourself a bit low so you can get some testimonials, and then you can raise and increase your price there. So Upwork.com, have a look at it. And finally another site is Fiverr.com. So if I type data entry, you can see that same goes here. There is tons of people that are offering data entry services. What I would do is I would actually create a profile with more than just data entry here. I mean, you can also include transcription jobs, you can include something else that you are good at. So you not only rely on data entry jobs here. So create a profile, make sure you have a good description there, of course, and you can get started on Fiverr for free to actually apply for data entry jobs that you're going to have through Fiverr. Alright, so that's it about home-based data entry online jobs there. As I said in the beginning, you're probably not going to get rich with these opportunities. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term online business, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. You'll find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more. Make sure you subscribe to both, hit the notification bell also, and you also find another make money online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.